Hey guys, my name is Maddie. This is my channel if you're coming back. I forgot what my intro is again. What's up, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. We have a long-awaited video for you guys today. I don't know who we is. I do. There's no one else here. I do this all by myself. We got a summer haul. Yeah. I've been waiting for all these clothes to come in. I ordered a bunch online. That's why it's so late. Even though it's not really late because most people are getting out of school right now. But yeah, I got a bunch of clothes. Like so many. Like I spent so much money. So I thought I would show you guys what I got. They're all really cute, and I thought I would do a try-on haul because that's more fun for you. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to try to make things short because I hate when people talk about their clothes forever when you're literally holding it up and you can tell what they're doing. And okay. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off with is some little accessory things and like little things that don't go with a certain brand, like little I don't know what I'm talking about. The first thing is this hat. I got this hat at American Eagle. It was, how much was this? $17, $17.99 or something. I will put the prices and sizes. This is one size fits all because it's a hat on the screen. If I don't remember the price, I'll just put it on the screen. Also, I'll link below all the stuff in this video. I saw this at American Eagle a while ago and I haven't stopped thinking about it, and I just needed to buy it. I put it on my head and I felt like a child again because I swear I had something exactly like this when I was like a baby. And I just got this nostalgic feeling and I really needed to buy it. There was nowhere else online that I could find like a denim bucket hat. So I copped this one and it's been very good to me. The next thing I want to talk about are these shoes. They're already kind of dirty because I've worn them a lot and they're white. But they are my favorite shoes, like ever. And I got them from Boohoo, which I'm not a super big like fast fashion person, but I saw them online and again, like couldn't stop thinking about them for like a good 2 months, and so then I just decided to buy them. They're the whole, oh my gosh, these are so dirty. Like I didn't actually realize how dirty these are. I just like had to wear them though. I couldn't wait. The whole like chunky sneaker vibe, but they're pretty cheap. I really like the little curvature of the bottom. I like to wear them with scrunched up socks mostly, and like I like to pair them with dresses just to make an outfit more casual. I think it looks really cool and kind of like streetwear vibes, editorial. I'm talking way too much. These are amazing shoes. They're really comfy and I'm in love with them and I wear them all the time. Okay, let's do some clothes. First I want to talk about these bad boys. They're not super summery even though I have worn them. They're just this pair of Gap overalls that are amazing. They're like pants overalls. I have two short overalls, like vintage looking ones, and I have a pair of like pants overalls I got from H&M, but I needed a pair of these and I got them at a thrift store in downtown and I just had to cop them. They were 15 bucks and they're amazing. It says that they're small. They're kind of big on me though. But I cannot wait to wear these in the winter, especially with like sweaters underneath it because they're that big and I think they're amazing and so cute and like... Okay, so the next I think this is the last item that like doesn't really fit into a brand. I wore this in one of my vlogs, so you might have seen it, but it's this shirt. I will link the link to this below as I will everything else. My best friend Savannah makes these shirts. She takes all the pictures and then puts them on the shirts, and all the shirts are different and unique and I think they're really cool. This is super cute. I wear it all the time and I think it's just really fun and different, and so if you want to get you one of these shirts and support some local folks, I will link the Depop below. This shirt was $18, but the prices range depending on what you buy. So Okay, now we're gonna move on to Target. I don't think I have a lot of stuff from Target. I'm gonna like forget something from a brand and then be really upset when I have to go back to it. I've also worn these in a vlog. They're these Bermuda shorts. They're ripped and they look so good on my body. I'm obsessed with them. I believe they were like $22. I got mine in a size 2. I haven't been telling you what size stuff is. Well, I guess I have. The shoes are a 6 and a 6. Yeah, the shoes are 6. Yeah, and they're great. I love them. I'm in love with them. I wear them all the time, and they're really good quality. Target's stepping up its game. Really proud of that. The next thing I got from Target are these shoes. They're super cute. I had some brown sandals, but I donated them or sold them. I don't remember. I don't really like strappy sandals. I don't think they look good on my feet. They're not very flattering, but these are so cute. They're just slip-ons. They're really easy, and I love them. I think they're adorable. I originally got a 6.5. They were too big. And then I brought them to Plato's Closet because I thought I could get some money back. These shoes were like $25, $26. And Plato's Closet, I am not kidding you, literally gave me $3 for them. $3. Which I was so upset about. Like, that's ridiculous. But anyway, because they were brand new, I'd wore them one time. I love these shoes. They're super cute and they're in a size 6 and they're from Target. Okay, so the next store we're going to do is Tilly's. I just got these in the mail, this first shirt. I tried it on in-store. I really liked it. They have one on Brandy Melville just like this, which I was going to buy that one, but then it sold out online, so I was like, okay, why not? This was $17.99, which is kind of pricey for a tank top if you're asking me. It just has these blue flowers on it and it's ribbed and I think it's really cute and dainty, and I'm really into dainty things recently. This next tank top is also from Tilly's. It just has yellow flowers on it. Literally, I have 3 shirts that have this exact same pattern on them, and also many more things that have flower patterns on them. Let's see how many I have. Let's count at the end. But I like this one because it has a little bow and this lace trim. It's also just really dainty. And I like the yellow, and this is, how much is this? Where's the tag? Is there no tag on it? That's so weird. I assume this is like the same price. I'll look it up. Those were both in smalls. Now it's time, let's move on to some Urban Outfitters basic teen girl haul. Urban Outfitters and Brandy Melville. That's what the majority of this haul is because I am so basic. But also, it's so, for me, like, fashion is so important to me, and it's so hard during the summer because, like, you wear so little clothing. So, layering, even in the summer. That's my thing. Okay, so the first thing is this slip dress. It's just this silk dress. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I got it in a small. The only thing I don't like about this is like the boob thing goes down way lower than my boobs actually are, but it's fine. I usually will pair this. I'll wear a graphic tee underneath it. And those shoes that I showed you, it's so pretty and has flowers on it, and I just want to wear it in a field and take pictures and like frolic in a field, and I just feel like so dainty and pretty when I wear it. And then I like to spice it up and make it like a little bit more like chic and edgy by putting a graphic tee under it and like wearing those shoes. But it's really pretty and I love it. The next thing is also a dress, which is in a small, and it's this bright orange dress that has this blue flower detail on it and these ruffles up here. It's pretty low cut. I also like to wear graphic tees under these dresses. I like to do that because I like wearing dresses during the summer because it's easy and they're cool, but wearing graphic tee makes it like gives a little extra spunk to your outfit, so it's not just so simple like a simple dress, and like you can really show how you like to dress and cool stuff like that. Like make people think you're cool when you put graphic tees under things. But it's really low cut, which I like when I'm wearing a graphic tee underneath it because you can see whatever it is, but when I'm not, it's a little bit low cut for me. But also it's summer and whatever. It's just a good dress. It's really cute, and that's all. This next item, I literally saw a girl wearing what? I saw a girl wearing it at a concert and I was literally in love with it. Then I went to Urban Outfitters the next day, saw it, and I just had to buy it even though it was literally like $70. It's this midi skirt, which are super on trend right now, and I am living for it. I love them. They make me feel so girly, and I like the length of them because I'm not self-conscious about, you know, slipping out anything. I think they're really cute. This one has butterflies on it. It's really colorful. It's silky, and I'm obsessed with it, and that's all I'm going to say about it. It makes me feel so alive and so myself when I wear it. This next skirt is such a staple, and I know I'm going to have it in my wardrobe for so long because it's just so classy. It's this pencil skirt with ruffles at the bottom, and it has this like lavender, like this periwinkle, blue, purple flower print on it, and it's so cute. You can dress it up if you want to. You can dress it down. I like wearing it with graphic tees to dress it down. But you can also dress it up, literally wear it anywhere, and it's so like springy, summery, pretty, girly. We love that. We love that. This next skirt is this lime green with these daisies on it. I really like the way it fits my body. It's really scrunchy and cute, and you can also dress it up or dress it down. And it's a good length, and we really like good length skirts. This is going by pretty fast, I think. No, it's been 12 minutes. Oh wait, I have one more thing from Urban Outfitters. They're these shorts. They're in a mom jean style. These are $25. I also ordered a pair that were in the same style, but they're blue jeans and they have rips on them. But they're not in yet. I ordered both of these, got them in the mail, and I ordered the wrong size. I ordered a 26 and I needed a 25. But I returned them at the store and bought this pair at the store, but they didn't have the pair that I wanted, so I ordered them online, but they're not here yet, and I didn't want to wait for them to get here to film this video. So they're just the girlfriend high-rise. They're so cute. They're really good length too, and I love how like distressed the bottoms are. They just hug my body in all the right ways, and I love them. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, now we're gonna do Brandy Melville. I bought more Brandy Melville stuff than I ever have before, and let me tell you, my wallet was hurt. It was hurted. First, I'm going to start off with this ring. It's just a really simple, kind of like thick ring. The only thing is, I would return this because it was $3. Wait, that didn't make sense. I would return this, but it was only $3, so it cost more for me to ship it back than it would for me to keep it. I really wish they had what the jewelry was made of online because it has nickel in it and I'm allergic to nickel, so I will definitely break out from wearing it. But I'm going to do it anyway. It was $3, so if you're not allergic to nickel, they have really good jewelry. But I just can't wear it because it has nickel in it, and I thought it did, but I was like, it's a ring, so it's not like my earrings or anything. But yeah, I just wish they had what it's made of online. I tried to look, and I couldn't find anything. But it's just really cute and simple, and I like rings. So the next thing I'm going to get out of the way is not really summer either, but I bought it, so I'm just going to show it to you. I had sweatpants almost exactly like these, except they had 2 stripes, but I spilled kombucha on them, and so now they have this yellow stain on the crotch that looks like I peed myself. So, but these are like my favorite sweatpants. They're so comfortable, and I think I might even like these better. They just seem more baggy, but they have this navy stripe on them. They're just gray, really scrunchy.
I'm sorry, but we're going to eat.
Okay.
Be careful.
Okay.
Don't drink and drive.
I'm not going to.
Don't do drugs and drive.
I'm not going to. Yes, great sweatpants. The next top I'm sure you've seen literally every single girl ever buy. It's this really tiny shirt that has this pink cheetah print on it. I love the color of it. I haven't tried it on yet, but it's really cute, even though it's really short. And I don't like how short their crop tops are because it literally shows everything that I'm self-conscious about in my body. But maybe some high-waisted jeans will look good with this. We'll see what happens. The next thing is yet another flower print. It is this shirt. I bought this when I couldn't buy the blue one online, so I wasn't going to buy it, and then I did anyway. I like the length of this crop top better, but yeah, it's really cute. It's very, like, good material. Yeah, so, cute. Another white tank top. I just got this because I could wear it with a lot of the skirts I got, and it's just simple and I like the ruffling, and that's really all I'm going to say about it. It's just a simple white tank top. I feel like I needed it in my wardrobe, and I didn't have something like this in my wardrobe, so I bought it. The next thing is another maxi skirt. It has this really pretty pink floral pattern on it, of course. I'm not sure if this is going to fit me because I bought a skirt from them one time and it was too small, and it's ridiculous how small their how small their clothing is, because I feel like I'm a pretty small person, and like their clothing makes me feel literally like a whale, and that's not good. So yeah, we'll see if this fits me, but I hope it does because it's really cute, and it's so pretty and makes me feel so like girly, and I'm really, my fashion has gotten so girly recently. I think it's just the summer, because most of the time I'm not super girly. Anyway, whatever. The next thing I got is just another simple white t-shirt. It has these lettuce edges on them. I have another white crop top from Brandy Melville, and I wear it all the time. I wear it by itself. I wear it under stuff, under tank tops, which I love doing, so I just thought I would get something like that, but a little bit different. I like the length of this one better than I like the other one, because the other one is like the length of that tank top. Anyway, cute, simple, needed it, bought it. The next thing is also very tiny. It's this halter top. I love the colors on this. It bunches up really weird up here. I'm not sure how that's going to turn out, but we'll see what happens. It's very small, and it's striped, and it's from Brandy Melville. No, that's not true, not the last thing. I got this. I really want to buy more shirts like this because I love the way this fits me. I know there's an orange one I want, but I bought this to wear with that butterfly skirt. It's just this hot pink button-up top crop thing. It's so cute. It looks so good on me, and I love it, and I'm obsessed with it, and yeah. The next thing I got was some belts. That's the last thing I'm going to show you. This first belt is just the clear one. It's so annoying how they have this tag right here that completely defeats the purpose of it being clear, but whatever. Yeah, I just thought, because sometimes I don't want to wear a black belt with something, but I still feel like I need something, so this is like a good in-between. Another good in-between is this chain guy. E-boys, where you at? For real though, please hit me up. It's just this chain belt. I've seen a lot of people, YouTubers, wear it, and I thought it would just be good to have, because again, it's not like just a black belt, it's just a little something, so. And lastly, I have this black belt. I wanted to get something with the buckle that's not super prominent, because I have like one that's like a Western belt, and I thought this would just be a little bit more simple, and I could wear it. I don't know. I wanted to get it. That's why I got it. So yeah, I got this belt from Brandy Melville. And that is all of my clothes. Yes, I have to be somewhere. I was planning to film my the try-on section tonight, but I guess I'm not going to do that. Even though I really need to, I shouldn't have laid in my bed for so long. I'm really disappointed in myself. Anyway, you've already seen the try-on section though, so that's good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you should subscribe. I do more stuff like this, and also stuff not like this. My channel's very random. I do whatever I feel that day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul though. I spent so much money on it for you. Just kidding. I was gonna buy this stuff anyway, maybe. Would I have bought the stuff if I wasn't gonna make a video for it? The world may never know. Anyway, but thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye!